Looking for a processor that delivers fast, reliable performance in today's most popular games? The AMD Ryzen 5 5600X offers just that, hitting over 100 FPS with a discrete graphics card. It's built on the Advanced Socket AM4 platform and supports PCIe 4.0 on X570 and B550 motherboards, ensuring you get the latest connectivity and speed benefits without compromise. This CPU packs 6 cores and 12 threads, running at a max boost of 4.4 GHz. It comes bundled with the AMD Wraith Stealth Cooler, so you get effective cooling right out of the box. Plus, it supports DDR4-3200 memory for smooth multitasking and gaming performance. What really stands out is its unlocked design, letting you overclock easily to squeeze out even more power when you need it. I upgraded from a Ryzen 7 2700 to this Ryzen 5 5600X for just about $50 more, and the difference is clear. The 2700 was an 8-core chip but ran hot at over 100 watts and struggled to hit 4 GHz even with manual overclocking. In contrast, the 5600X runs efficiently at 65 watts stock, and even with a powerful Noctua DH15 cooler, it stays impressively cool and quiet. Single-core performance is where the 5600X really shines. For VR gaming and high frame rate scenarios, this matters a lot. The chip's ability to boost core speeds automatically through Precision Boost 2 means you don't have to fuss with manual tuning unless you want to. It effortlessly hits speeds between 4.5 and 4.7 GHz, pushing your gaming experience to new heights. If you want to take control, AMD's Ryzen Master software makes undervolting and overclocking straightforward. It automatically optimizes voltages and frequencies per core, delivering stable performance boosts without hours of manual tweaking. For example, my unit ran stable with a -30 undervolt setting and a 150 MHz overclock, all configured within an hour using Ryzen Master's easy tools. This combination of efficiency, power, and user-friendly tuning makes the Ryzen 5 5600X a standout choice for gamers and creators alike. You get a CPU that's ready to perform at high levels, cool under pressure, and adapt to your needs without demanding expert-level adjustments. If you're weighing your options for a mid-range processor that won't hold back your graphics card or your gaming ambitions, the Ryzen 5 5600X is worth a look. It balances price and performance in a way that makes sense for serious users who want smooth gameplay and efficient power use. Ready to upgrade your rig? The AMD Ryzen 5 5600X offers fast FPS, low heat, and smart overclocking features that fit your gaming lifestyle. Try it when you're ready and see the difference it makes for your favorite titles.